So now we are going to talk about adding multiple choice questions. But in this instance, we are choosing from the question bank. Before that, I'll show how to upload questions into the question bank. To do that, you first click on your course that you are supposed to upload the question to. Then you click on this double-headed arrow to expand for more options, and you scroll down and look for question bank, and you click on imports. Then the page opens to import the questions. First, let me take you to how the question should be formatted before it can be imported. To be able to import a question into the question bank, this is how the format is supposed to be like. It's supposed to be arranged according to how you want them to appear, as in the number. Example, these are question 1, question 2, question 3, question 4, and so on. You will start to type your question. Then after that, you type the options that you have. Then after you tap and give the correct answer. In this question, you give the correct answer here. After doing that for all the questions you want to upload, you come back to the browser. In the file format, you choose a King format. You can either drag and drop or choose a file to upload. It gives you feedback that's importing 20 questions for file. These are all the questions that have been imported. You have to arrange as in how you want the questions to appear numerically. Then after that, you click on continue. With this, you've uploaded all the questions into the question bank. Now let's see how we can add the questions as it is from the question bank. First, we go to add an activity or resource. Then you choose quiz. We give the quiz a name, give a description, then check this box. Display description on course page. Now go to the time just like the first one. You enable all of these. You give open quiz time, which will make it 1 minute 40 seconds. Close quiz time, the same time first as 12 a.m. And here, just like the previous setting, when time expires, open attempts are submitted automatically. Then you come to grading. Attempts allowed. You make it one layout on a new page if you have just one question. Shuffle the questions. And then you come to the restrict access. You set a date to be restricted, but I said earlier that it should be not later than the date you set to open. It can be before or at exact time, but not later. Here, we set the time to open at 1 minute 40 seconds. You click on Save and Display. Now we click on Edit Quiz to open our questions. Basically, click on Add then from Question Bank. Here, it gives you all the questions that have been added. You can also choose which questions to add by ticking them. If you are adding all the questions, you can just tick here and to add or to select, or if you want to select just some options of it, you have to tick them one by one. When you are done, you go to add the selected questions to the quiz. Now, do you see all the questions I ticked? They are all added here. We have to shuffle them. After we are done shuffling them, we click on Save. Go back to the questions. Let's preview to see how it will show. It gives the same warning like the first one. Go to Start Attempt. Now it gives the question, each question, on one page, just like how we set it to be. That is all for how to upload questions into the question bank, add depth on the question bank, and also setting up multiple choice quizzes. That is typing the questions by yourself.